go look.
What is it doing?
What do you see?
Carvings?
Of what?
Bunnies or something? Oh, Garfield?
Uh-huh.
Thank you. That's so cool. How much was this machine? This is beautiful.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
It's been making them while I sleep.
That's really neat. How?
It's called a 3D printer.
Oh, it's really making it D3D.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's just so cool. Yeah, that's really nice. So what is he in? Or is it like a giant statue of him?
Mm-hmm. So when he's done printing, we will put him in water, and then that stuff will come off and it will just be Garfield's upper body. And then those will go on top of your cupcakes.
That is so cool. Thank you very much.
You're gonna help me paint them, right?
Yes, I will. It's mostly orange and black in the eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but that's so neat. Thank you, thank you.
Hello, Jen here from 3D Universe, hanging out with my friend
Rhys.
Today is his birthday, and we have made
Mini Garfields.
mini Garfields to go on his
Cake.
cake.
Cupcakes. Well, it's cupcakes because I'm having a birthday party.
Yeah.
Look into his big fat eyes.
So he is having his birthday party on Saturday, and we made 3D printed Garfields to go on the top of his cupcakes. We had to use support material to make sure that Garfield's arms would stick up properly once we 3D printed him. So now we have to
Dissolve that.
dissolve it. So I'm going to go get some water,
I'll just wait here.
and he's gonna wait here, and I have no idea what's gonna happen.
I was having an Idaho trip, and I lost my tooth. My mom pulled it out at a restaurant in the bathroom. When I lost my tooth, I put it under my pillow, and that was that night. And the tooth fairy gave me $2, and the weird part, it gave me a potato. Then we have a special guest, my foot. And let me just... I'm gonna put my line over my head. So now Jen's back with the water. Hot water.
Yeah, it's
So pretty warm.
Is it pretty
Now,
warm?
now we gotta put the Garfield.
We're gonna put five in
there.
there. Can you count the 5 out? Just drop them in, and then we have to put a rock on top of them to make sure that they,
Don't come out.
yeah. I'm gonna take this rock,
Okay.
I'm gonna put it down, and hold them under the water.
Isn't that hot? All the bubbles are like, all of some of the bubbles are just like falling up, but that's not from when the rock dropped on them. That's actually them. Because if you can see it, there's actually bubbles forming right on the Garfield, so it can't be because of the rock. Because the Garfields are fizzing away. See if you have like a little bit of outlining on them. That's where we're getting off the goopy. So do not drink this water after. So that is what it is of how to dissolve them. It's like all the goop is like falling off, the bubbles are going up. So that is what it's all doing. And you see it's like just not going up a little bit. Oh, and then we have that one who's about to like burst. If you flick a bubble underwater, it's gonna turn into mini ones. Hello again, and we're back, and the water's heating still, and the Garfields are disintegrating. Well, not really all the way. Let's take the rock out. Oh man, it's hot. It's not that hot. Okay, we gotta take the rock. Oh, the floating kitties. I see floating kitties in there. Let's take them out.
Ooh,
They're looking neato.
yes.
Yeah. Kind of like chocolate syrup. Yeah, so that's what they look like.
Ooh. You got them?
Oh, sticky and icky.
Yeah, they're a little bit sticky still. You still got the goo on them. So we will clean them off the rest of the way, and then I will paint a couple, and we will...
You paint 5. How about I paint 5?
Maybe.
So this is the result of painting it. I don't know if you can really see that well.
I'll show a close up in a bit.
Okay. So she's gonna do a close up in a minute now. So these little Garfields are really neat. That's what they look like. And then we still got the little white ones that we still need to paint before the party, which is in 2 days. But anyways, yeah, this is what they look like after dissolving. And that is what they look like after everything else when you put food color on it, because regular paint's not going to be good for the cupcakes I'm putting it on. Yeah, these come out really well, especially that one because that one's painted. Yeah, so basically that is what the result is after painting them with food coloring, which I don't know why. Basically, if it melts, it'll be fine on cupcakes because it's edible.
Thank you for following along and subscribing and checking out our channel and helping me celebrate Rhys's 7th birthday. Can you say, check us out at shop3duniverse.com.
Check us out at shop3duniverse.com.
Dance, 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 dance. It's the birthday dance. Yeah.